Okay, peel this, strip back this cover. Too definitely slips out of us. Just we clip in here. Just give it a tug like that. Just to get enough space. Get in. Okay, strap back in. You see 1, 2, 3 bolts. Wire's already unplugged, is it? I got it. It is. Yours might be plugged in. I don't know why mine's not, but it's not hard to get to. It's just down in there. So we'll get these off. You need a 30mm Torx headed screwdriver. 30mm. Slip off like so. Alright. Like so. It's off.